Hello, and thank you for taking time to view this introduction of the STEAM Research Project. This year, students will work on informational speaking and writing projects for 1 quarter in language arts with That's me. If you have not already done so, please check out my classroom homepage and click on the STEAM Research Project for ongoing information on this project. The first thing I would like to show you is a brief set of snapshots of things that fall under the STEAM umbrella: science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. Students viewed this same video in class as a discussion starter about what STEAM is, so that they are ready to begin one of the most important pieces of this project. This video showed several current samples of STEAM used across various fields of study. Please know that the focus any student selects for this research project is not limited to this type of science, technology, engineering, art, and/or mathematics. The process each student goes through in generating possible STEAM topics for this project is the foundation that will allow them to be successful throughout the project. The first step of brainstorming as they look for their focus in taking place early this quarter. A sense of curiosity is a great starting point as students think of STEAM topics which interest them. Some students will focus on a particular invention or inventor in terms of their scope of work. Others are just curious about a particular topic within one area of study, or how something really works. Please know that this could be something that was invented or discovered in this century or some previous century. Yet others may even want to research something connected to a hobby or a particular career. In the end, however, the key to this project is, and this is likely the most important thing I need you to hear, the key for students in tackling a long-term research project like this is that they truly need to be passionate about the topic they select. At times, it will take endurance and determination to overcome challenges for various students as they work through stages of this process. The library staff and I will be there to support students as they begin to look for reliable sources to help them investigate STEAM topics they are considering for this project. Digital tools are available from the OES website, and students will practice using these in class. Further information will be posted on the STEAM project section of my classroom website. Our library staff can also work with the local public libraries via interlibrary loan process to obtain print sources. This means we can get these resources sent directly here to our school. Students will use various tools to keep track of their progress, and specific status checks will be required up to twice each week. We will have time in class and likely during some study hall sessions to work on these searches and investigate books here in our school library, as well as those available from other libraries and online. Some students, however, love to go to the public library and may want to arrange times to do so in the next 2 weeks. I have asked students to have conversations with you if this is something that they would like to do. Please know that searches can be done online from school or via their school Chromebook to locate possible sources or just get some background information in order to make a final decision on their STEM topic for this project. This project will give them their first try at things like documenting all sources in MLA format, and then combine these into a works cited page in their final research paper. This may be the first time that they will be using a simplified MLA format on a typed assignment, including title page and works cited page. The Purdue OWL site is an excellent source, but it is comprehensive. We will break this down and focus on a few elements this quarter. Another challenge for some students is drafting and editing an outline before they do any writing. This will be essential because the depth of this project is greater than the essays they are accustomed to writing. And practice with this writing tool will help with other projects they will encounter going forward. The outline can also help students determine if they have enough information or details for each part of their paper. Often this allows students to see where they have gaps, so they can go back, look for additional sources, to do further reading to better answer their questions, and support each part of the research paper. I am just highlighting a few elements of this STEAM research project here today, but have set up a section for this project on my classroom homepage from which you and your students will be able to access important documents and links we will use in the process, including one very important document, which is the STEAM research paper process checklist. Please watch for my next video to be referenced in our STEAM project blog, which you can read from my classroom homepage. I'm excited to see what STEAM topics your students will take on this quarter. They help keep me on my toes, and I never fail to learn new things along with them.